Alright, hello there everyone, welcome to week number 7 of the NBBL, and this is going to be a bit of a different type of game. My opponent's switch broke on them right before our game was supposed to happen, so we're having to do this on Pokemon Showdown instead. So, yeah. Real quick though, before we get into this game, I am going to break down the team. So, first up we have Keldeo, a new recruit with Expert Belt. Vacuum Wave, Air Slash, Surf, Trailblaze hits pretty much everything on their team neutrally super effectively. Trailblaze to boost their speed, Vacuum Wave for priority, Surf, Air Slash hits everything hard. Next up we have Trick Room Dialga. This is designed to, get some nice speed control versus their faster threats. Draco Meteor, Heavy Slam, Earth Power hits a lot of stuff very, very hard on this team. Next up we have Ting Wu with EQ Spikes, Whirlwind, Ruination. Ruination designed to catch stuff like Urshifu single on a switch, chip him massively. Spikes, get some nice hazards up, and Whirlwind to force out setup like their setup Comfey. EQ hits stuff hard, kind of going with a mixed defensive set to counteract their Excadrill and Iron Moth. We have a lead Terapagos with Power Meteor Beam again. Spin to increase speed and to remove Arachnid Webs or any Stealth Rock from Hippowdon or Excadrill. Earth Power Terra Starstorm hits everything else. Now we have a Trailblaze, Cudgel, Power Whip, Knockoff, Max Speed, Max Attack, Ogerpon C, hits everything neutrally super effectively. And finally we have a defensive Terra Fairy Driftwind with Sap, Willow, Hex, and Terra Blast Fairy. So yeah, that is going to be the team, and I will catch you all when the battle happens. Peace. Alright, and here we are in the battle. So, yeah, it's been a minute since I've recorded a Showdown game, so I may accidentally skip some animations. Yeah. Let's see, so we see the Excadrill, Hippowdon, Iron Moth, Arachnid, Comfey, and Urshifu. Comfey can get a little bit out of hand if Dialga is weakened, but mainly the play here is always just to lead Terapagos and see what happens. As they will lead with the Hippowdon, so that's intriguing. So Terra Starstorm is an okay-ish play, though part of me does kind of just want to save some health on this thing since they didn't bring Waterpon and... well, Keldeo just looks free as hell here. So, yeah. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, I think I'll just Starstorm, actually. So just rocks. So that did quite a lot of damage. What do they want to switch in? Because I'm assuming they might not want this thing to go down. If they go like Arachnid or something, that'd be a good situation to be in. I don't think I'll lose a lot by just spinning. Because I do go Comfey. This is pretty free Dialga. Because I don't really want to mess around too much with Comfey, especially since it'll be quick and calm mind. So, yeah. I will just... I will probably quick Heavy Slam. Actually... yeah, Heavy Slam. Heavy Slam. We'll do Heavy Slam. Part of me did want a quick Trick Room, though. Actually, do I lose anything by Trick Rooming? I don't really think I... do I? Because it's a pretty obvious switch out. this thing is like lefties or something, Earth Power has a good shot to Oko the Excadrill at any rate. And if they send in Shifu, then I'm fairly certain I can Oko it with Draco. So, yeah, I don't really think I'll lose anything by Trick Rooming. As I just see him again. Very, very ballsy play there. And that'll do nothing. And we Oko the Comfey and have a spare turn of Trick Room. They're forced to go Hippowdon. So, judging from the Terapagos damage, I did 64. Oh, actually, what am I doing? I don't stay in on this thing. I 100% do not stay in on this thing. I'll probably go into Dripwim, maybe. Either that or I go Tingwu, but I think I still need some health on Tingwu. So, yeah. I wish I had done T-Wave or something on this. I'll probably just go Boreas here, so they get the free Slack Off. So, that is something. I don't really want to tear this thing unless it's needed. And I will just quick Hex. So they quick Roar. Alright, that's perfect. So, let me see. Trailblaze. I'm not quite sure how much it would do, but Trailblaze in this position would be very, very powerful. Especially if I can knock it out. I wanna go Trailblaze here and risk it. So, yeah. I feel like Trailblaze is a solid play. Keep a foot on the gas, and yeah, just go for it. I definitely thought myself into a corner there, but once this Hippowdon goes down, the game becomes a little bit easier. The game's going to become a little bit easier, even still here. Now, this thing can Terra. So, if I was doing that much... I kind of want to quick Power Whip. Because this thing... Let me check this thing. I realize you can see my tab. Let me check my prep doc. So they have Water, Ground, Stellar. They could Terra into a ground type and make Cudgel resisted. So I feel like Power Whip is a good play. And we catch the Urshifu on the switch in. So that was a really, really good read. So we just Power Whip again, knock out the Shifu. Moth, booster speed. So we're going to be relying on... Well, actually, I don't even know if they can knock me out. So, yeah, Ogre C kills that. Here comes the Hippo. Probably was a good idea to quick Trailblaze again. I think I outrun Excadrill now. I think Ogerpon just 6-0'd. That's a hell of a way to rebound from last week. So, not over yet though. Not over yet. I have a roll to knock Excadrill out, but even if I don't get it, Keldeo can come in, quick Vacuum Wave, and then quick Air Slash to ice the game, probably. So, like, let me check. Keldeo into this. Air Slash is going to be doing, like, 45 to 50 versus the Araquanid. So, might not be the best idea. I probably have to rely on Terapagos, but, like, point is, I have pieces, and they don't. So, yeah. This is why Ogerpon C is like very, very underrated. It's just like I was debating dropping it at the deadline for like Hisuian Wilgant, but it's just came to play today. It's good. It's super good. I will admit that part of the reason why this game is probably going well is my opponent is likely tilted because they had their Switch die on them before this game started. So, yeah, that's just O-code. What the hell? But yeah, their Switch died on them before this started. So, yeah. I'm not sure how much the crit mattered, but yeah. That is going to be week number 7. We win 6-0. We have won every score except 1-0. So, yeah, Ogerpon C put in work, and yeah. I guess I will catch you all in the next battle. Peace.